I have these organic golden potatoes. I cut them and I boil them in hot water, and it doesn't take a long time, about 10 to 15 minutes or more. Just boil until they get very soft. If you're using a russet potatoes, it will need less time. I make this all the time using either russet potatoes or golden potatoes. I think I use russet potato more often because it needs less time to cook. And also russet potato has a lots of water in it. So it's perfect for a soup. If there's not enough water, just add water or hot water. And next step is just to blend it. I use a hand mixer. I got this from a flash sale and Thanksgiving. This is pretty good. Easy. I can make the soup using this with anything in 2 minutes. Sometimes it splashes when there's not enough water to cover the potatoes, so I use the aluminum foil to protect my clothes. Make sure there's no leftover chunk. And now the soup is almost ready. As a matter of fact, I don't think we need the actual blender, like or hand blender, because those cooked potatoes are already soft. And maybe use a fork or a knife to break them down, and soup will be ready. This one looks more white. This is a russet potato soup. It's more watery. Both one tastes really, really good, and this is my all-time favorite. I make them so many times. Make them ready all the time and store them in the fridge. My baby needs to hydrate, and after she stopped drinking the powder milk, then I have to hydrate her. Then the soup is one of the best ways to do that.